Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and in this video we're going to go over whether we should add a Lotus 400 to the channel. So we've been selling some cars to make room for new cars, so I am telling you that what cars I'm considering, and I'd like you to leave a comment below if you think we should add one of these cars to the channel. Now, of course, we can't add every car to the channel, but I'll do a series of these videos, and I'd like to know your comments and opinions. Remember, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Like and share our videos so our channel can grow. And if you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right, so my favorite cars are stick shift, mid-engine, rear drive, visceral driving cars, and the Lotus 400 is certainly one of those. Now, we have quite a few Lotus videos on the channel, and I am a former Lotus owner myself. I owned a 2017 Lotus Exige S in laser blue. I owned that car before I had a YouTube channel. I probably should have started a YouTube channel when I bought that car, but visceral driving experience for sure. That car did appreciate in value, and I regret selling it, to be honest. So other Lotus videos that we have on the channel, we have a Lotus, not mine, but my friend's 2007 also, Lotus Exige S. That's videos in 2 or 3 different parts, so you can search that up. We also have a Lotus Esprit V8 video. We have a Lotus Evora S video, and then our most recent was this one, the Lotus Evora 400. Now, the 400 stands for 400 horsepower, and it is available at 7,000 RPM. Torque for this car is 302 foot-pounds at 3,500 RPM. According to Lotus, it should do a 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, whether you have the manual transmission like this one or the automatic transmission. Now, top speed is 186 miles per hour for the manual and only 174 for the automatic. Now, why would you get the automatic? Lotuses come in great colors. Now, they don't have fancy names like Porsche does for colors. Like they're called solid red or magnetic orange, like this one. I love this color orange. This would certainly be one of my choices, but this is my friend's car, so I couldn't get the same color as him. So I would go with a magnetic blue. But the Lotus looks great in a million different colors, especially with black wheels like this. British Racing Green is also one of my favorite colors for the Lotus as well. Now, you can watch the video of this car. We have the full review on the 400. I'm just going why I like this car and why I'm considering adding it to the channel. Well, I don't like to buy cars new at full price. So a 2018 Evora 400 is probably stickers at between 100 and 120,000. There are still leftover 2017s. Now, most of those are going to have automatic transmission, so you may have to hunt around with a stick shift. And our subscriber here bought his as a leftover 2017 for about 20,000 off sticker. So if you can find a car that's at a 105 sticker, for example, you can buy that car for about 85,000, and you are the first owner. Now, 120,000. There may be better cars out there than this one, but if you can get one of these for 85,000, I would take this any day, even over a 911 or a Cayman. It's a step more visceral driving experience, more raw experience, and I think it's I've owned 3 Porsches. Everybody has a Porsche, and not too many people have a Lotus, so I think you'll definitely stand out, and it is certainly next level handling. And now we have power to go with it. Now, if we looked at, I drove Nick Murray's 991 4S, which was a great car, but I think that car had a sticker of 130, 140,000, and obviously those cars are going to depreciate, and the Lotus is going to depreciate also, but you pretty much have that 911 type performance for, say, 85 grand. Getting a last year's model, which is the same as the 18. It still has the 400 horsepower and all that, but getting a leftover than a Porsche that's going to depreciate probably to 80 or 100,000 in the next couple of years. Anyway, now the 991 is a great car, and if you want that car, certainly get it. That's probably more of a daily driver. It is certainly more of a GT car. But I think the Lotus is a raw weekend driving experience, and they made huge improvements to this car. So Big improvements on the interior compared to the regular Lotus Evora and the Lotus Evora S. Big improvements on the build quality. It feels like a real tightly constructed car now. It doesn't have the quality of a Porsche, so if you're used to a Porsche, it's not there yet, but it's improved dramatically with the Lotus 400. Check out our video of this here. Check out Matt Farah's video of the Evora 400. I think he did a real great one as well. And leave a comment below whether you think we should add a Evora S to the channel. Now, we may only be able to add one car to the channel, maybe two, so keep that in mind. Every video I post, we can't add every single one to the channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like and share these videos so our channel can grow. That's the only way I can keep making videos. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And I will see you next time on Glenn's Car Collection.